By the end of the video, you will know ABOUT HIIT for newbies. Quick and effective workout routine. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of high-intensity interval training HIIT and bringing you a quick and effective workout routine for our newbies. First off, let's clarify that HIIT is an exercise strategy alternating short bursts of intense activity with recovery periods. It's great for those who are short on time but want maximum results from their workout. Remember, you can do HIIT anywhere with no equipment needed. Now, onto the fun part. Here's a simple HIIT workout plan for beginners. Warm up, 5 minutes of light cardio or stretching. 2. Exercise intervals, 30 seconds of high-intensity exercise, followed by 90 seconds of active rest. Repeat this 10 times. 3. Cool down, 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio or stretching to cool down your muscles. The beauty of HIIT is its versatility. It can be customized to fit your fitness level and preferences. So feel free to mix up the exercises in this plan and see what works best for you. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to fitness. Start with just 2 HIIT sessions a week and gradually build up as your body adapts. And don't forget, hydration is crucial. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workout to stay hydrated. And voila! In just under an hour, you have a complete HIIT workout plan that will help you get into shape in no time. Thank you for joining us today on our fitness journey. Remember to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and tricks. Stay fit, stay healthy, and see you next time.